Tagalogin natin to para maintindihan ng lahat, ha? Nung last ko na post about sa sweldo, I don't know kung magkano yung sabi ko I make here. Pero, opportunity. Madaming opportunity dito sa Amerika para kumita ng malaki. Ngayon, I'm around $128 an hour. 128.40, I think. Dahil sa opportunity. I know a lot of people say that, oh, mahal naman yung tax dyan. Oh my God, stop thinking like that. May tax talaga. Pag meron ka namang makukuha from your tax, okay lang yon. Kaya, it's not enough para maging cause ng complaint mo. So, something to think about. Opportunity. When you're here, don't stop at just being like a regular nurse. Try to find opportunities para ma-enhance mo yung education mo dito.